welcome to Rosie at Home. Today I will be showing you guys my living room and how I decorated it for the spring. And the colors are this beautiful pink color, and this pillow is actually a cover, and I purchased it from Amazon. It's a sequins pillow cover and I love it. And I think I purchased two of them for $13.99. Also, I purchased this eggplant sequins pillow cover, and I already put a pillow inside of it, and it looks like a purple, but it's called eggplant, and I think two was for $14.99. I love this color for the spring. I think it's so glamorous and so beautiful. And the last color I will be using is this color, green. It's a light green. It's a light green color, and this pretty pillow, this is actually a pillow, and I purchased this from Pier 1 a while ago, and I will be using this color green, and it's so pretty and soft and light, look like jewel tone colors, and I will be using these colors for my living space, and I will show you the living space. And I will be using a lot of lavender and purple and green and pink faux flowers. And I fell in love with this color. And I just added a few different items, but not very many new items, as I'm trying to downsize and declutter my home. It's too much stuff. After a while you have too much stuff. So the things that I do have, I just reuse and put them in different locations in my home or restyle them. So now I hope you guys enjoy this tour. I will not go over much. I think the colors turned out so beautifully, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this tour, and please, if you like it and enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to show you guys my beautiful shower curtain / tapestry, and I purchased it from Amazon, and the color of it is lavender, and I added some pink bling butterflies on it. And the little butterflies I purchased from Ross. And it is very beautiful and very spring-like. And I'm going to show you one more item. Her name is Lavender. And she actually is a lavender vase, but she also looks pink, depends on the light. And she is beautiful. And I added all the beautiful faux flowers and picks inside of her. Most of the picks are from QVC, and the flowers and other picks are from Dollar Tree.